Edward Chibambe er frivillig rådgiver og informatør i det DH-støttede HIV- og AIDS-projekt i Uganda. En af hans klienter i Gitanga Subcounty er Paulo Biamukisa. Paulo er fysisk handicappet, HIV-positiv og heksedoktor. Men det gør ham ikke til en modspiller, fortæller Edward i videoklippet. På billedsiden konsulterer en ung kvinde og hendes mor heksedoktoren Paulo for at få hjælp. Datteren taber sig og har diarré, og mistanken er HIV eller værre endnu, AIDS i udbrud.
Paulo Biamukisa, she's a witch doctor using our local medicines. Paulo Biamukisa realized that he's HIV positive, and he came to know that his medicine cannot cure HIV. What he does, he goes to the health center and also inform his clients who usually came here, more especially on Wednesdays and Fridays, to go and test and know their status. He has done a good work, more especially on our colleagues, PWDs. He informs him that they should seek the medical assistance from the health centers. He also admits that he is not dealing with HIV because his medicines does not cure, even assist in HIV positive people.